This year, I have been traveling across countries, and let's just say I have learned a lot along the way. From having the best adventures to making the silliest mistakes, travel can get hectic. So, I have put together the ultimate list of travel tips and tricks to help you travel easier, smarter, and better. Now, first, I want to talk about some very important things you should be carrying on your next trip abroad, starting with a good universal adapter. Every country has different outlets, and while hotels sometimes may lend you one, that's pure luck. So, it's best to have your own adapter. It saves you time, hassle, and your sanity. The second most important thing is a portable luggage scale. If you're an overpacker or love shopping on trips like me, then airport overweight charges can burn a hole in your pocket. So with a tiny weighing scale in your bag, you can easily track your luggage weight and avoid all that last-minute airport drama. I have been super lucky to not have any lost luggage horror stories, but trust me, that's very real. I know so many people who've gone through it, and the sad part is sometimes even the airlines can't really help. That's why I recommend putting an AirTag or any similar tracker in your bag and making your luggage stand out with a sticker or ribbon so no one mistakes it for theirs. This may sound very silly, but you won't believe how many people run around airports begging for a pen. I also have been a part of that crowd, and trust me, it's more than just embarrassing. So, a very simple thing, always keep one pen handy for immigration forms. Now, always, genuinely always carry at least 500 USD in cash as backup. Sometimes cards won't work or local shops may only accept cash. So, keeping this extra cash in hand is a safety net for you for emergencies like taxis, food, or last-minute bookings. When I went to Vietnam and Indonesia, I chose to rent scooters for a day or two for easier travel, and for the same, some rentals ask for IDs to keep as security. So, carry an old ID like an expired driver's license for situations like this so that if anything goes wrong, you won't lose something essential. So yeah, that's almost everything you should be carrying when you're traveling abroad. Now I'm gonna just share some travel tips and hacks that will make your travel much easier. First up are three very important apps. Before leaving your home country, download Google Maps, Google Translate, and Google Photos. These three things will save you from getting lost, stuck, or losing any memories. Make sure you download Google Maps and Translate offline as well so that you still have access in an area that has low connectivity. Now, since you'll be hopping across countries and connecting to random Wi-Fi networks, security is everything. Enable two-step authentication on all your apps and use an authenticator app so that once you take out your home SIM and the OTPs don't work, an authenticator app will still keep you safe offline too. The next important thing when you're traveling is staying connected, because without the internet, everything becomes 10 times harder. Either go for a global plan like T-Mobile's for just 2,000 rupees a month, or get yourself an eSIM like Matrix for easier travel across countries. Now, some places block apps like FaceTime, WhatsApp calls, or even online banking. I mean, imagine being abroad and not being able to watch your favorite Netflix series before hitting the bed. Thankfully, a VPN solves all of that, so you can then easily have access to all those apps and not have to worry about getting connected back home. Unfortunately, one thing we struggled with in Indonesia was airline baggage policies. Each airline had different rules, and sometimes the same airline had different policies depending on the route. So always double check before flying to avoid any last-minute surprise fees. Now, this is something I luckily haven't faced, but have heard a lot of cases of random ATMs on the road being a total scam. So when withdrawing cash abroad, avoid ATMs out on the street. They're riskier and may have hidden fees. Always use ATMs inside banks, airports, or malls for security and fairer rates. So that's my ultimate list of travel tips and essentials. Learn from both the best adventures and biggest mistakes. If you found this helpful, drop a comment with your own favorite travel hack, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel stories from around the world.